Hi everyone, today's Shojin ryori is Zucchini Saute Sesame Sauce. It is a dish of seasonal zucchini roasted and sprinkled with homemade sesame vinegar sauce. It's easy but surprisingly delicious Japanese food. Let's make it together. Ingredients: First, make sesame vinegar sauce. In a small bowl, add anything other than apple cider vinegar and mix well. Add vinegar to the bowl little by little and stir. Please note that if you add vinegar at once, it will be difficult to mix. The sesame vinegar sauce is complete. Take 2 tablespoons of sauce from here and place in a small bowl. In a bowl of sesame vinegar sauce, add soy sauce and mix. This is a sauce for today's dishes. Place the remaining sauce in a clean container and store in the refrigerator. Please use it as a dressing for boiled vegetables and salads. Cut the zucchini into 5mm 6 pieces. Heat the oil in a fry pan and quickly bake the zucchini on both sides. Hot oil will fry. Be careful please. It doesn't taste good if you overcook the zucchini. Let's finish the inside with layer. Season with salt and serve in a bowl. Sprinkle with sesame vinegar sauce. It's done. Please use this sesame vinegar sauce for various dishes. I hope this information is useful to you. Please give it a try. I hope that many people will know the wonderfulness of Koji mode, which makes cooking delicious. I will continue to introduce Japanese fermented foods and Shojin ryori on my channel. I will tell you what kind of good work fermented foods have on our bodies and vegetable dishes using fermented foods. I appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel and share my channel with your family and friends. ありがとうございました。